Whoa.
Oh,
Well, that's funny.
It's gone! Yay!
Oh my gosh, there's
What?
like a group over there.
Jacob, gone now.
My gun! Yay!
She's running with fire.
The thing's not going off.
I know, I think they need to work on a little bit.
Who's speaking Alex or Josh when you need them? The only guys who could light the
They're gonna light
things.
one. I wonder how Tim's doing on today.
Oh yeah, I was all telling him. He wants a pocket bike. Look it up sometime. It's a pocket bike. His mom said no. I was like, knowing your mom, He was trying to get her to say yeah.
Which
Hope
one?
I'm not doing it on any cat or anything.
Doubt it.
Doubt.
This lawn was mowed
I know.
like a bitch.
This is serious.
I need a pillow. That's cute.
Don't wanna go get your pillow?
I need a life.
I'm no kid no more.
I need a life. Someone passed me with green mushroom. Whoop,
My
whoop, whoop,
life
whoop.
sucks.
I going miss move this.
Oh, your life sucks?
Yeah.
I could hand you a green mushroom.
My life sucks.
Oh, your life walks.
Wow, that's so cool.
Be happy it was better than mine, Jacob.
Alex, he's just a little boy.
No, when I was his age, my life was suffering. When you get older, Jacob, I'll tell you how my life was at your age. I hated my life.
Better people hide it like this. That was so cool. Yeah. Like 4 or 5 up there.
Yeah.
We kill us at the same time.